Hey everybody, this is Bill. Welcome to another Trahern Creek Outdoors video. It's a Saturday evening and I have a box to open that contains a half a dozen brand new dog-proof traps. So it's about time for a trapping video. Here we go. Join me. My helper, Miha, is sitting up here on my desk. She had been asleep till I started the video process, and so she just wants to participate. So let's get a good look at her, and she can look at you. And then what we're going to do is do an unboxing of these new traps. So come join me. When I came in here to get to the box, one of the deer from the land that I have, my 20 acres, was out here at the front door working on eating some shell corn and some rock salt and stuff like that I've got out here on my sidewalk. And here she is. She was out here earlier, and they were out here last night. You can probably see her. She's coming back over here. She's out in the middle of the street right now. But here she comes. So we'll get to the trap in just a minute, but I thought you might like to see her coming back into the yard here. Okay, disregarding the deer in the front yard for a few minutes, I have turned on the light and I just put this box right in front of my door when I got it in. So let's get busy with opening traps. The deer are here on my 20 acres of land because I have a lot of food plots and so forth that attract them. And that particular little doe's about 8 months old. She was born this spring. I bought this box of traps from PCS Outdoors in Oscoda, Michigan, maybe. I guess that's how you pronounce that. So anyway, it arrived a little worse for the wear, as you see. So it's been kind of not well packed, to be just quite honest with you. And as I say, I run an Etsy store and sell on eBay a good bit of products and stuff. I actually have a second channel that I'm putting together about my online reselling business. So soon I'll have links posted to that, and would invite all of you to join up so you can see what that's all about. Anyway, let's see if we can get this to open up here. Trying to do this in film, which isn't the easiest thing in the world to do. Alright, that might have got it. Now, let's see what we got going on here. Guys and gals, Miha has come to help out. She likes to check everything, being the good cat that she is. Alright, so we have, look at here, kitty. We have traps. Do not put your cat paw in them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a whole bunch. Could be 2 dozen anchors. Okay, good deal. Alright. Glad to see these. Got a driver that came with the operation. A set 2. As I say, the actual traps themselves. I'll get these out of the box and undone, and we'll take a closer look. Alright, I forgot to show you the actual invoice. Some of you might decide you want to buy some of these. I don't know. Not recommending them, just saying here's what they are. I got 2 dozen AuSable brand 15-inch cable stakes with a free driver. I really like the driver, by the way, for $41.95. And then I got the Featherlight PCS dog-proof raccoon trap bundle with a setter and some DP bait included, 6 traps for $73.95. There's the actual bait. This is a home concoction, little shell corn, and mostly look like some rat food pellets, but whatever. And then let's see, what did I give you a total? I don't know if I actually gave you a total or not. That would be, what is this? Let's see, 42 and 74, 116, something like that, I guess. For the whole shooting match there. Not especially any kind of super bargain, but it's not bad either. You know, these are about, $12, $11 or $12 traps, I suppose, something like that. And the cables and the driver and all that other stuff. Nothing's free, but the shipping and everything's in there too. So yeah, it was a decent enough deal. I'm happy with it. No complaints. As I say, I really like the driver. It's a good heavy-duty driver. I'm happy to get that because it fits those particular cables. Cable stakes, the earth anchors there won't necessarily fit every brand, but I think it fits 2 or 3 different ones. All right, I'm anxious to try these out, try to get them out tomorrow. Okay, here's the actual product. This is an SS Featherlight by PCS Outdoors, and this is an aluminum dog-proof trap. Some of them may be made out of other things. This is aluminum, allegedly lighter weight. Still pretty good heft to it, though. And the part that I like best, you can maybe see it right here, made in USA. That's a nice idea. Not Chinese or any other country, just American. Nothing wrong with that. It's got a bent nail attachment point style swivel, I suppose we'll say, at the top. Another bent nail attachment point here and here on this swivel, the number 1 real swivel. And then we have a number 2 swivel, also another bent nail situation. So they probably say it's 3 swivels to some degree. I suppose it is, but I would count it as 2 swivels. Adequately enough for a raccoon or a possum. No big deal. Latch is just like any other dog proof. Push in, mousetrap style dog and catch that just fits in the notch, just like that. And so anyway, that's the contraption right there. Fairly straightforward. That's just like any other dog-proof trap. And, you know, fires shut in the same manner that they all do. So try it this way. You know, we'll just tap the little pin off so you can see it fire like that. And Mr. Raccoon or Mr. Possum or Mr. Small Pawed Dog will be caught in the dog proof. Alright, you want to see this? Probably so. Alright, this is a dog proof trap, not a cat proof trap, so stay out of it. I don't really let her out much where I'm not around, so hopefully she'll stay out of it. She doesn't eat shelled corn, and that's most likely what's going in this particular trap for Mr. Raccoon. Alright, there's the set tool. You've seen the driver and the cables. The cables are AuSable cables. I've not used those before, so I don't know how well they'll work, but we will see. It's a late Sunday afternoon. Trying to get out here before the weather is too bad and get to the deer feeder. A couple of things I need to do. So, time's wasted. We'll talk later. Let's get busy. Poor deer have eaten all the corn. They're really hungry in this cold weather. So, hope you can hear this without too much problems. Let's get some corn out here. This is the last of the deer corn for this season. Had a little left over, and it's a cold day, so brought it out here and gonna put it out. This is a little hard to crank beast. I still got to do more work on, but it's up and running, as you see. All right, let's get busy here. Maybe get a trap or two out. Well, as you can see, we have here a winter wonderland, at least Mississippi style. It's not everything that you guys up north have, but it's a little mixed precipitation, freezing rain, sleet, whatever, a little snow maybe, not much, ice, a lot of ice. And I am trying to get the rest of these little dog proofs out, just to get them out, and just because today is a federal holiday and more or less I'm off and have the time to do it. It's not the perfect conditions, I understand that. And my battery's down on my four-wheeler, so it's kind of walking out here today, showing you what we're doing. Temperature's about, I don't know, 10 or 12, something like that, I guess, degrees. Wind chill blowing anyway, it's about that. Here we have one of the dog proofs set up right here that I put out yesterday, untouched. It's by this little scent post. Back it up so you can see a little better. This is an outlet. Animals come out into this food plot here, so most of them pass it. Used to be a little brush pile there. It's kind of worn down by now. But they're coming out toward my deer feeder, which still has a little corn left over from last night in it. Not much. Animals kind of pick it over, as you see. But anyway, coming on down my little trail here, past my game camera, and here, just off the trail, toward the feeder, we have another dog proof. Gee whiz, I can't even see it myself. Here we go. Right there, staked in. Trying these new AuSable cable stakes. Seeing how they work. I hope they work good. I don't think it'll have any trouble with possums. Big boy raccoon, we'll see. It's 15-inch cable, so it ought to hold. And we're coming on out here down to the north trail. Everything's pretty frozen up, as you see. Kind of got to go on these old legs with bad knees. Kind of go slow. Past this little brush pile. On over here to our little waterworks project, which is all froze over, as you see. No place to drink water here, but we're gonna set a little trap right here. Home Depot makes a great trap bucket. I've got the cable stake driven. I forgot to bring the D-links out here, and they were froze up on my old traps and rusted too. So anyway, I got a little hike back, got them now. So let me put this D-link on here and we'll move on to the next spot. All right, we're gonna ease on over here, right up under my deer stand, and plant one by this little game trail. They come out right by my game stand. And so, just gonna get right out here. This is the little trail, goes right in. Possums and all kind of like it. So do the raccoons. If I can get up it, which is a potential problem here. Oh, let's see what we can do. It is icy. So anyway, back up here. No, that's not good. Back up here and find me a spot, maybe right about there, left of that big oak, and plant one. Right This one is set. This one has a hair trigger on it. It's a little too short of a dog on there, which is not good. But anyway, it's a pretty decent spot out here. Kind of see it's down this little hollow going through the woods here. And I may have time to put one more down there by the creek. So let me get scooting down that way. We ran out of time and daylight this afternoon, but I put 5 traps out. However, the short dog trap sprung all by itself, nothing touching it. I guess just the wind blowing it around. So I've got to rework on that trap, see if we can do something about that bad dog. Anyway, I have 4 out. I will pick up the bad trap in the morning when I check the lines, and we'll doctor it up somehow, get it and trap number 6 out, then sit back and see what we get. Should be a little sunshine tomorrow. Still gonna be cold, but that might at least get the animals moving. We'll see. All right, that's it for this video.